Hi, this is Harihara Durgapasa, second BCom. Today topic is data type in C program. Okay. Purpose of the data type of in a C data used in the C language refers to any access to the system that we use to the declare various types of the functions or the variable in the program. Here on the basis of the data of variable present in program with they determine the space, the teeth occupation in the storage along with the way in the which the storage byte pattern will be the present a data type. Type is a type of the data that variable can store such as a integer, floating character, etc. And next one, first one, primary data, fundamental data types. First one, primary data types in a C. Here the 5 pyramid of the primary data type that one can find C program language: integer, character, double, floating point, void. First one, integer. We use this for storing various whole numbers such as a 5, 8, 6, 7, 2, 3, 9, 0, etc. Character. It refers to all ASCII characters as well as the single alphabet such as a X, Y, etc. Double. This including all large types of numeric value that do not come under either floating point data type or integer data type. Visit double seal no more floating point. This refers to all the real number or points such as 41, 820, 673, 5.9, etc. Various keywords are used in the program for the specify the data type mentioned above. Here the keywords that we use. The int data type can be the 4 bytes, 2 bytes. Reminding the size of the int data type is very easy. The given size is the generally equal to the length of the word of the program's execution environment. In the words of the in 2 bits, 16 bits in the case an environment that the 16 bits. However, in int we will the 4 bytes or the 62 bytes in a case of the an environment that is the 32 bit. The char data type in the 1 byte, the size of char data type is basically 8 bytes or at 1 byte. No variation would occur with different compilers and the interpreters. It means that the type of the compiler or the processor used will have no effect. No, it is size whatsoever. The double data type is the 8 bytes. The size of the double data is a basical 64 bytes or 8 bytes. It's a capability of the storing value that are double the size of the bytes that the float data type can store. This is the reason why it is known as double. Next one, the float data type is the 4 bytes. The size of the float data type is the basically 32 bytes or 4 bytes. The float data type is the single in the nature and we use it is the holding the decimal value. It helps in the storage variation large value, but the float is the comparative faster than the double. It is because double works in the comparative much larger data value. It is the slower comparatively. The void data type is 0 bytes. Since the void data type has a no meaning, it has no size at all. There is a range of the value that come under all this data types, but before we looking into that, let taken the modified in the user in the data type. Thank you for all.